Sinahog ng Carriols. Yan yung mga pinagpipilian din ng mga fans yan.
Magkakataon na naman na makalapit para sa Pure Foods after getting the steal. Under a minute to go in the opening quarter. Lanete to Villanueva. Ralimi, double team.
Sunod na 3-second violations.
So far, it's been a long opening quarter para kay Reda Ralimi.
Despite his size, hindi niya masin lang maayos ito si Holcomb.
Well, it also doesn't help na patong-patong sa kanya yung mga Alaska defenders na very wary of his size inside. There's Ralimi completing the steal.
Yung depensa ng Pure Foods ang gumanda dito. Towards the first quarter, Peter Jun. Simon.
Well, it's been the Peter Jun Simon show because the last 6 field goals of Pure Foods galing sa kanya.
Kaya nga, eto pa, may foul pa nga at mabibigyan pa siya ng bonus free throw.
Si Tony De La Cruz ang tinawagan ng foul is first personal.
Alam mo, iba rin yung naging MVP ka ng All-Star game, no? Tumataas yung kumpiyansa mo, Daming nasurpresa nung si Peter Jun Simon na naging MVP dun, no? But he deserves it.
Certainly worked hard for it.
Oo naman.
Hindi naman ito si Peter Jun Simon, Hindi naman yan agad-agad nakatapak sa PBA.
Hindi. He came in as a free agent.
That's the first personal, Rico Villanueva.